Hi there! See my little cute model? She's wearing a Tinkerbell costume, so watch me how I made it. I used green velvet fabric. Actually, this was an extra fabric that I used from my previous video. Traced and cut the fabric. I made one strap bodies just to look nice and sexy. Trace and cut from top right of the shoulder, going to the underarm side. Sew the sides. Flip the dress and draw a continuous V shape on the bottom area we cut. Attach fur lining or feather lining on the shoulder. You can do it by stitching or hot glue. Fabric that I used. Trace the pattern into the fabric. Knit 2 pieces per pattern and then cut. Attach the fabric facing inward. I used thread-like elastic band for the lock. Placed it in the right side of the curve and sew. Just keep on watching. Sew the sides and attach this pattern facing outward and sew. Sew along the sides and attach it and sew. Add body parallel to the elastic band. I added felt pads so it would be nice to step in. Finally, add a fur or cotton on top of the shape. And it's done! Perfect for Halloween party. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe my channel so you won't miss any of my videos. See ya!